CompTIA Security Plus exam has two parts: performance-based questions and normal questions. Previously, I've posted 100 different normal questions in my channel. Check them out. Also, you can check them in the cards or in the description. And let's try to solve this PBQ. Alright, we have the security team at a technology company is implementing security measures to safeguard the premises and sensitive data. Select the best security control for each location or function. Now we have a couple of things in here. For example, CCTV, biometric scanner, and so on. And we want to match these guys with a couple of things that we have. Specific locations, and from A to D you can see them. With each of these locations we have some options, and these options are either 1 or 2. So for instance, for A you're gonna have to choose 2 options, and for B only 1. Now I've designed this question to be a little bit tricky, and you will face tricky questions in your Security Plus exam as well. That's intentional. Think of the best options among the things that you have in here. You can go ahead and pause the video, match each option, and then we will jump into the answer. Again, this is a little bit tricky, so do a little bit search if you want, and try to choose the best one among the things that you have. Alright, ready? Let's go for A. We have main entrance to the building, ground floor. Now this is probably an easy one. We know that we have access control vestibule and security officers waiting for you there. You can see the access control vestibule like this one, and you've already seen security officers there. So this is an easy one. Now for B, it's a little bit tricky. Maybe it would be better to go to maybe the server room. Now for server room, you also know that since data is sensitive, you do not want to let anyone go there. Only certain people with specific privileges, not even all the employees. Only, let's say, the system admin can go there. You know that you're gonna have to have some sort of biometric scanner or RFID badge in order to limit the access to that sensitive location. So since we try to use this technique to eliminate most of the options in here, and that's one of the techniques that you can do in your Security Plus exam, you have left with only 2 options, CCTV and bollards, for B and D. Now which one would you choose for B and D? So for example, for the parking area in the underground floor, do you try to put CCTV there or bollards there? Now if it's me, probably I would choose CCTV. Why? Because if I choose bollards there, then for the backup generator it doesn't really make sense to put CCTV. On the other hand, bollards in the backup generator is very common. For example, in this image, or this one, or even this one, you can see that bollards are a common thing to be put around your backup generator section, especially if they are exposed to the outside. Alright, there you go. So today we've learned also a technique that you can use in your Security Plus exam to not answer everything one after another in the format that was presented to you. Rather, you can try to skip and go to the next one and next one to eliminate the options and thus have better chance of answering these tricky questions. Also, one other tip that I'm going to tell you is that sometimes if a question is a little bit hard for you, try to skip it. Put a flag on it and then go to other questions And as you move forward, you might gather information that either make you remember things, or maybe you gather information in relation to that specific question. You would be surprised what you will find. Okay, I have also a bonus for you since this question was tricky. Pick up among these security measurements for option B and option D, and each option gonna take at least one of these security measurements. Write down in the comment which one you chose. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button if you did so, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll catch you on the next one.